time. It's the one ingredient that sets apart good from great. It's the thing that molds experiences into lasting memories. At Amendella's, we take the time to do things that other places won't. We don't just do it to be different. We do it because we care. Because food is more than just food. It's celebration. It's new beginning. It's an escape from the world around us. Food is an experience, and it deserves to be divine. It deserves to be carefully prepared, using only the freshest local ingredients available. Good food deserves better, because you deserve the best.